Hi, I'm Jonny Swift. I am a digital marketing consultant, and today I'm going to show you how to automatically send an email when someone fills out a form on your website, and it's completely free, so don't worry. Okay, to start this is what you need. You need a website. I'm using Squarespace, and I've got my Contact Us form. So this is the Contact Us form we're going to track. You need an email box, which I'm using Gmail. I'm not going to show you that just because of privacy, but I've got Gmail. And also you need something called Zapier. Zapier is what we're going to use to automate the emails from your Contact Us form. It works very, very well with Squarespace or Gmail. It also works with a lot of other website builders and also some email platforms. So you don't really need to worry if you are using something other than Gmail and Squarespace. So to start with, I have a few little examples here, but we're going to start from afresh. So make an account on Zapier, and once you get on the homepage, you need to click on create, and then create a Zaps. Okay, when you get to this page, you can ignore the Copilot, you can click on trigger, and then search for your form. So you can search forms, and you can see a variation of forms once they're up. But we know we're using Squarespace for this example, so I'm going to click on Squarespace Forms. So now we've got Squarespace Forms up, or whatever form you choose. You want to choose an event and click on New Form Submission. As you can see, also my account is also linked up. You can click on Change it here and add a new account. Just go by the steps on how to do this. You can find the website API key, and it kind of gives you an instruction on where to do it. I'm not going to go through this because you can do it yourself because it shows the instructions, but make sure you do this. And once that is done, you can continue. Form, it should recognize all the forms on your website. I've got a lot of different variations of forms, but I've got a contact me form here. If you're not sure what your form is called, especially on Squarespace, you can go to edit, and once you click on your form, you can see contact form name here. It will generate a random one, but you can just rename it here, so it's a lot easier to find on Zapier. Okay, I'm back on Zapier. We're going to click on contact me form and click continue again. And here, just to make sure it's working properly, you can see records in your Squarespace Forms account. So this should show you some forms that are recently being filled out. It really helps when it comes to the migration, when it comes to it. Then you want to click on continue with selected record. And the next step you want to click is your email provider. For this example, I'm going to show you Gmail. So once you've done that, you want to click on action event, and you want to scroll down until you see send email. Click on send email, then click continue. Then once you've selected send email, you want to link your Gmail account. Similar to how Squarespace works, you need to connect a new account. Don't worry, it's completely fine. Just connect a new account and then select your email provider. Then click on continue, and this is where it gets interesting. For this next step, you need to migrate the information you got on your contact form to the information that are going to be given to people who are getting the email reply. For example, if you capture their names, you can mention their name on the email reply. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that now. So this is the fun bit where we match up. So on to, you want to click on this and then click on this dash key. And here you can see the information that you are gathering from this form. I am here going to click on their email because this is where it's going to. If they fill out their email on the contact form, it should send straight to that email, this email reply. CC is an option to either choose your own email or somebody else's. I'm just going to leave this blank, and similar to BCC as well. The from, you want to select your email or wherever you get it from. You can choose more if you have it loaded up on Zapier. The from name, you just want to put your name of your business or your own name. I normally make it a lot more personal because I feel like it helps improve contact open rates. So I'm just going to put from Jonny Swift. Reply to, you can leave this one blank. And subject, just put what you want on. So I'm just going to put on form submission received. Body type, you can choose between plain and HTML. Just click on, just use plain for now. So for body, I would just try to make it as personal as possible and just give them information that they may need. Okay, now I have filled out a personal reply. This is the reply that they will receive. Everything else you can either ignore or add. I do have a signature on my Gmail account. So I'm just going to add that so they receive it. And you can also attach things like attachments. So if you want to send people a file, maybe they're filling out the form to receive something for free, you can put the file in here that they will receive. Really, really useful. Next thing, we're going to go on continue, and then you should see the details here. This is where you can click on test step. So I'm going to click on test step. And once you do this step, you should receive an email. I'm going to show you that email right now. So going on my Gmail account, you can see that I have sent an email out, but I have sent it to Zapier demo, which is not deliverable. This is fine, this is just a test, but we can see that we are automatically sending emails from our Gmail account and it is going to where we want it. We can now test this in a real environment by filling out on our website. So once you're back on Zapier, you can click on publish, and there we go. Now it's all filled out. Now to make sure it's working properly, we're going to test it out on the website and see if that works as intended. So to make sure it is working as intended, I am on my contact on my website, and I am just filling out this form, and I'm going to click on free initial consultation, which is my button on my website. Then I get this web page, which basically means it's been sent through, something I set up before. Now I'm going to go to my emails and double check that I received it. And as you can see, I have received this automated email, which we set up earlier, so we know it's fully working properly. And that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, or even feel free to subscribe. I do loads of content when it comes to digital marketing, and you could learn a lot through this channel. And hopefully I get to see you again very soon.